Have you ever considered living in Los Cabos, a place where the desert meets the sea and life takes on a new rhythm? Los Cabos, located on the southernmost tip of the Baja California Peninsula, is a region known for its stunning natural beauty, vibrant lifestyle, and two unique cities, Cabo San Lucas and San Jose del Cabo. Each city has its own charm and character, offering a distinct flavor of Mexican life. Cabo San Lucas, a world-renowned tourist destination, is a hub of activity that attracts people from all walks of life. Its sister city, San Jose del Cabo, on the other hand, is a serene sanctuary that boasts of colonial architecture and an artistic atmosphere. These two cities, nestled between azure waters and arid desert, offer a blend of comfort, adventure, and cultural richness. So, for those considering a change in latitude, let's delve into what makes these cities a preferred choice for many expats. Cabo San Lucas, a world-renowned tourist destination and an exciting place to call home. Tucked away on the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula, Cabo San Lucas is a vibrant city that offers an eclectic mix of people and experiences. Known as a playground for Hollywood celebrities, spring break partygoers, and sports fishing enthusiasts, the city is a melting pot of cultures. It's not uncommon to rub shoulders with the stars in the city's high-end shopping districts, or to find yourself in the midst of a lively fiesta in the heart of downtown. Living in Cabo San Lucas is a unique experience. The city, though renowned for its luxury, is surprisingly affordable. While it is considered one of the more expensive places to live in Mexico, the cost of living is still significantly lower compared to many US and Canadian cities. Even more so, if you choose to reside outside the bustling tourist areas. But don't let the lower cost fool you into thinking you'll be compromising on amenities. Cabo San Lucas boasts excellent healthcare facilities, a wide array of shopping options, diverse food scenes, electrifying nightlife, and all the comforts you could possibly need for a comfortable life in Mexico. The city truly offers the best of both worlds, the excitement and glamour of a top tourist destination, and the comfort and tranquility of a well-equipped home. What's more, the city's residents form a diverse and welcoming community. With an estimated population of around 200,000 people, the city is home to a blend of locals, expats, and tourists. This vibrant mix of people adds to the unique charm of Cabo San Lucas, making it a fascinating place to live. Life in Cabo San Lucas is not just about the glitz and glamour. It's about embracing a lifestyle that's dynamic, yet comfortable. It's about immersing yourself in a rich culture and vibrant community. It's about waking up to the breathtaking views of the Sea of Cortez and retiring to the soothing sounds of the waves at night. Living in Cabo San Lucas means embracing a dynamic yet comfortable lifestyle. It's a place where every day feels like a vacation, and yet it's a place you can truly call home. Just 20 miles away, the sister city of San Jose del Cabo offers a slightly different yet equally appealing lifestyle. Here, the pace of life slows down, the bustling tourist crowds thin out, and the true essence of Mexican culture comes alive. As you venture into the heart of San Jose del Cabo, you'll be greeted by charming colonial architecture, with brightly colored buildings lining cobblestone streets. The city is a treasure trove of artistic gems, with its vibrant art district boasting a multitude of galleries and studios. On any given day, you can see local artists at work, crafting masterpieces that reflect the soul of Mexico. But it isn't all about art and architecture. San Jose del Cabo offers a plethora of outdoor activities for those seeking an active lifestyle. From hiking trails that wind through the rugged beauty of the Baja Peninsula to thrilling ziplining adventures, there's always something to get your heart racing. And let's not forget the beaches. Like its sister city, San Jose del Cabo boasts pristine coastlines perfect for water sports or simply soaking up the sun. But here, the beaches are less crowded, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustle of Cabo San Lucas. While San Jose del Cabo offers a rich cultural experience and an active lifestyle, it also presents a slightly more affordable cost of living. Fewer expats choose to settle here, which means property prices and general living costs are often lower. And despite its laid-back vibe, San Jose del Cabo is far from isolated. In fact, it's home to one of Mexico's busiest international airports, providing direct flights to numerous US and Canadian cities. San Jose del Cabo is a city that strikes a harmonious balance. It offers the tranquility of a traditional Mexican town with the amenities of a modern city. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in local culture, enjoy an active lifestyle, and do it all without breaking the bank. San Jose del Cabo, a city that artfully combines tradition and modernity. Whether you're looking to retire or simply seeking a change of scenery, this captivating city could be your ideal destination. Now, let's talk about the people and the weather, two important factors when considering a move. Starting with the population, Cabo San Lucas is home to around 200,000 people, with expats speculated to make up about 5 to 10% of the population. This city is a melting pot of cultures, attracting snowbirds, tourists, and Mexicans from all corners of the country. On the other hand, San Jose del Cabo, despite being less famous, houses over 135,000 people. The majority are Mexicans, but it also gets its fair share of foreign visitors. Now let's dive into the weather. One of the delights of living in Los Cabos is the agreeable climate. In Cabo San Lucas, the average temperatures maintain a comfortable range of 69 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. The daytime highs can reach a toasty 79 to 91 degrees, but rest assured it rarely falls below 55 to 60 degrees, even in winter. The rainy season extends from July to January. Despite being a bit drier than San Jose del Cabo, Cabo San Lucas does experience some rainfall and occasional hurricanes. Moving over to San Jose del Cabo, it's slightly warmer here during the summer months. Average daytime highs from June to October can climb above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Like its sister city, the rainy season here spans from July to November. While there have been a few hurricane disasters in the past 60 years, such incidents are rare. Regardless of where you choose to plant your roots in Los Cabos, both cities offer warm days and cool evenings. This makes them ideal for a variety of beachside activities, or simply unwinding with a good book and a refreshing drink. In conclusion, whether you prefer the hustle and bustle of Cabo San Lucas or the relaxed vibe of San Jose del Cabo, you can expect warm days and cool evenings, perfect for beachside activities and relaxation. Moving to a new place involves careful consideration of the cost of living and healthcare facilities. Delving into the financial aspect of life in Los Cabos, one finds that while it may be pricier than other Mexican cities, it still offers a lower cost of living compared to many US and Canadian cities. For instance, in the bustling city of Cabo San Lucas, you can further economize by choosing to live outside the main tourist areas. Now let's talk about San Jose del Cabo. Here, the cost of living is slightly lower than its sister city. This city offers a more relaxed lifestyle with a distinctive Mexican vibe, and it's not overcrowded by expats. In terms of housing, food, and other expenses, both cities offer a spectrum of choices to fit different budgets. Whether you prefer a luxury villa overlooking the sea or a cozy apartment in the heart of the city, you will find an option that suits you. Similarly, dining ranges from gourmet restaurants to local street food, allowing you to adjust your food budget according to your preference. Now, let's shift our focus to healthcare, an essential aspect for anyone considering a move. Los Cabos takes pride in having some of the best hospitals in Mexico. The cities are popular destinations for medical tourism, providing top-notch medical services at a fraction of the cost compared to the US. Several medical centers offer comprehensive services, including airport pickups, accommodation, and appointment scheduling, making medical visits as hassle-free as possible. Whether it's routine checkups, specialized treatments, or emergencies, rest assured that your health needs will be taken care of. In conclusion, Los Cabos presents a balanced equation of cost of living and healthcare. It offers a lifestyle that's affordable yet doesn't compromise on quality, especially when it comes to healthcare. This balance, coupled with the natural beauty and vibrant culture of the region, makes Los Cabos a compelling choice for a new home. With a reasonable cost of living and excellent healthcare, Los Cabos makes for a comfortable living destination. So, is living in Los Cabos right for you? Let's recap. Cabo San Lucas, the bustling tourist hub, offers a lively lifestyle, albeit at a slightly higher cost of living. Yet it remains more affordable than many US and Canadian cities. It's a city of comfort and convenience, with top-notch healthcare, shopping, and food scenes. On the other hand, San Jose del Cabo offers a relaxed lifestyle, steeped in Mexican culture. It's slightly more affordable than its sister city and boasts a variety of outdoor activities for the adventurous at heart. Both cities enjoy warm, beach-friendly weather most of the year, and the healthcare system is commendable. In essence, whether you're drawn to the lively, touristy vibe of Cabo San Lucas or the tranquil cultural charm of San Jose del Cabo, Los Cabos offers a unique blend of experiences. Living in Los Cabos presents an opportunity to embrace a new lifestyle, full of sun, sand, and vibrant culture. It's not just a place to live, it's a place to truly live.